Lord, I pray for my family and friends. May your peace be with them each day. I pray that there will be unity and joy within my family. Our family is struggling with fear and confusion. We need your strength and power in our lives. We need to sense your comfort and peace. Wrap your arms around us and fill us with your love. I pray for my spouse and my children. I pray for every member of my family. You know each of our individual fears and needs. Supply us all with the strength we need to keep going and comfort us as we continue along the journey of life. My loved ones are struggling to come together as a family. We all seem torn in so many directions. I am asking that you bring us together again as we should be. Give us the strength to rely on each other and most importantly, to rely on you. I pray for each member of our family. Help each of us individually and as a family.